Hey guys, Santa's asked me to go undercover and give you guys the best blasters for your kids and your dads this holiday season. Hopper-fed blasters are perfect for your child. They're fun, they're easy to use. If you don't want them using the real stuff, we've got these child-friendly ones, perfect for Christmas. The ZP Revolver is perfect if you want something different. Single action, got that cool feel to it. Does your kid like Fortnite? Get a P90 and he can feel like he's in the game. If your kid wants something that packs a bit of a harder punch, check out the APS Dragonfly. We have a killer combo going on. See store for details. Don't forget Dad this holiday season. Pick him up an CXP-MARS, perfect for that combat aficionado. And that's it, guys. Santa asked me to go undercover to give him my suggestions, and there they are. We will catch you guys on the next one. Santa Moose Boot.